First look at 960 FPS slow motion on the Xiaomi Poco F1, and we'll discuss whether it's fake or not. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchy here, back with another video, and in this video, we're going to have a first look at 960 FPS slow motion on the Xiaomi Poco F1, and we'll also talk about the fact whether it is fake or not. Now Xiaomi did add 960 FPS slow motion to the beta builds for the Xiaomi Poco F1, but with the latest build on MIUI 10.2.2.0, they rolled it out officially on the stable version of MIUI 10 to the Xiaomi Poco F1. How do you access this 960 FPS slow mode? Well, you open the MIUI camera application, you have an option called slow motion, click on this guy, and then on top you have to click on 960 FPS. You see right now it says 960 FPS, click on it one time, it will change to 120 FPS. One more time it will change to 240 FPS, and if you click on it one more time it will change to 960 FPS. Now the limitation of 960 FPS is that the whole video clip is of 10 seconds maximum, but the 960 FPS actual slow motion is less than 10 seconds. Why is that? Well, that is where we have to talk about whether 960 FPS on the Xiaomi Poco F1 is fake or not. But before we talk about that, let's see how it looks when you record 960 FPS video on the Xiaomi Poco F1. This here is a short clip of 960 FPS slow motion video being recorded on the Xiaomi Poco F1, and this is the final result which you get. Let us now talk about the fact whether 960 FPS slow motion video on the Poco F1 is fake or not. Well, this actually is 240 FPS slow motion video which has been changed to 960 FPS using software. Why is that? That is because the Xiaomi Poco F1 has the Sony IMX363 camera sensor on the back, which has a hardware limitation of recording at a maximum of 240 FPS. Do note this is the same camera sensor you have on the Google Pixel 3, and slow motion video on the Google Pixel 3 is limited to 240 FPS. So clearly what Xiaomi is doing is they are recording it at 240 FPS or maybe even 120 FPS and then changing it to 960 FPS using some software technique. Is Xiaomi the only company doing so? No, Huawei has done this on the P20 Pro. Xiaomi has done it on the Mi MX3. There might be other companies as well which are doing this. Now when Samsung launched the Galaxy S9 and the Note 9 series, they added something called super slow motion, which records video in 960 FPS as well. But do note the S9 and the Note 9 have Sony IMX345 sensors which are capable of recording in 960 FPS without any software processing. However, the S9 and the Note 9 have a limitation wherein the recorded clip is 0.2 seconds and then it is turned into a 6 second or a 7 second clip, which is done using the DRAM on that camera sensor. You do need to have perfect timing if you want to record a pretty cool super slow motion video on your Note 9 or Galaxy S9. The implementation which Xiaomi, Huawei and other manufacturers have done, wherein they slow down a 240 FPS or 120 FPS video to 960 FPS using software, something which is known as frame interpolation, in my opinion is better than what Samsung has done. Is it actual 960 FPS being recorded from your camera? No. Does it look the same? In my opinion, yes. Is it better? In my opinion, still yes, because I don't have to time, or 0.2 seconds is way less for a normal person to time and then record it for it to come out to be pretty good. With this implementation, most of your videos will come out pretty good. Here are some more videos which I recorded using 960 FPS slow motion on the Xiaomi Poco F1, and even though my first attempt at recording 960 FPS using the Xiaomi Poco F1 in the beta build was a big failure, that small video which has Master Yoda has the maximum dislikes on my channel. So I hope this time I do a better job. That's it for this video peeps. I hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.